Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old who makes 100K a month. Let's get it. I had a monster day yesterday. $31,000 day. Things are looking good, finally. Winter is coming, whether you want to call it a winter arc or Q4, whatever term you want to use. In Chicago, in the winter, there is nothing else to do. As you see outside, cold as shit, and everybody's just hibernating because nobody wants to go outside. That is the one downfall of Chicago, is summertime. There's no other city like it. Fall, winter, early spring, not the move, bro, not the move. But let's get the day started and let's go.
You doubting me, oh yeah. Hate on me, I don't care. I like your aura, what's your name? Don't care what your star sign is.
Just wrapped up a meeting with my sales team. Now I have a coaching call for my Inner Circle students. My Inner Circle is basically my coaching program, helping people earn a full-time income from home, just 10 messages on their phone. So I usually give them 2 live calls a week from my side, personally helping them out. And then I have my 3 other coaches giving a call as well. So we basically have a live coaching call every single day, helping our students win. So let's cut to it. And I always love talking to my guys. Let's go. Just wrapped up the meeting, it was pretty quick, but one of my closers told me to check out this specific call recording. He said one of my newest clients has a great message to share with me, and check this out.
It's better than any of the other sales training that I've done that I've paid like 20K for. Wow. So like, yeah, if Renzo wants to just sell just that module and some coaching, like call reviews, he has a whole other offer just on that module.
Yeah, it's funny how that works. Yesterday and today I had like the epiphany that I need to take my sales team to the next level and take full ownership to lead my sales team to the promised land and actually go through their call recordings and make sure they fucking close. And one of my students, as you just saw there, just said my sales training in my coaching program is better than Jeremy Miners, Eli Wild, Traffic and Funnels with Taylor Welch, all those guys, which is kind of crazy to hear because those guys are like 8-figure entrepreneurs. But yeah, it kind of just confirms like I am on the right path of what I'm trying to do. There's no other guy in my company that can save my sales team more than I can. Really good feeling. And so yeah, if you want to be like that guy Joao who closed 7 new clients in a week for my program, you know the drill. Just check out the link in my description for my free training, breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit, type messages on my phone, and you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Again, just check out the link in my description to get that free training. But other than that, let's go hit a workout.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. I do not miss.
I'm about to hit the hot tub while it's rainy as hell. I wish I could bring this camera with me, but I don't want to destroy this camera, so you guys are gonna have to watch from the inside. Look how cloudy Chicago is. Fucking simulation out here. Can't see shit. I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, Renzo, are you cooking? Kinda. Meal prep last Sunday. Your boy's trying to be healthier. I still don't like to cook every day. Every Sunday is the only option for me. Kind of like the best of both, where it's kind of like Uber Eats, where you save a lot of time, but you do have to grind out like 1-2 hours every Sunday to make sure you got some food for the rest of the week. Well, my mom always said, get away from the microwave, so we're doing that. And boom, nice and healthy. All right, so right now I'm on a call with some of my users for my software company. Right, there are some new members that spontaneously hopped on a live call with me because I love my students, I love my users. Yo guys, how are you liking the software?
It is amazing. So much sauce, so much sauce.
But yeah, if you guys are interested in hopping on live calls with me, getting coaching from me, and also just using my software, just check out the link in my description. No pressure, like it's not gonna change my life. But hey, if you are interested and you do want to work with me closely, it's the first link. I'm about to film a Loom video for my closers and my setters, aka my sales team in total. This is how I'm able to communicate with my team during off hours. Obviously I can't just hop on a call with all of them right now, but the other most efficient way to do that, film a quick little video and then they get to watch it on their own time. So let's get it started. I have a lot of notes, if you see here, of different calls, 13 different calls I went through today. But let's go to it. Okay, about to head off to bed. I am dead, but you know the drill. Official numbers for the day, $2,355. Not amazing, but there's always tomorrow. If you are interested in learning how exactly I'm making all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just typing messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube. Just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because the value is gonna be crazy. So again, check out this playlist right here and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.